Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the Space Between Ideas. I'm Blank Gates. Uh, let's do a little housekeeping. So, just so you know, the last time I really told anybody where I was on this channel, I was back in Georgia. So, I don't know if you know what Georgia is, and I don't know if my internet speed is. Yeah, I probably should have to. I'm gonna have to start this video again. Hold on. All right, here we go. So at the time, well, now I've gone too far. So here's Georgia. I was in Georgia for quite a while. Um, right now, I'm in Alexandria. It's on the north coast of Egypt, and I bought a plane ticket. So I'm going to start heading south. I'm planning to go to, I don't know, like I'm thinking eventually I'm gonna go through some of these countries and I thought it was Cape Cod, Cape Town. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be traveling through Africa for the next, I don't know, even maybe like 6 months at least. So that's the housekeeping items. I don't know, like if you read my blog, then you'd know that I was in Russia for a couple of years, and then I moved to Saudi Arabia. And then during the pandemic, I went to Belarus, and then I started working online exclusively. Then I was in Ukraine, then I went to Bulgaria, to Greece. I flew to Spain, and then from Spain, I went to Georgia. So I move around quite a bit. I'm now in Alexandria. I just went for a swim here in the Mediterranean Sea. And my plan is that I would like to go for a swim in the, whatever this is. What's down here? The Atlantic Ocean. So it's called the Atlantic in Cape Town. I wonder where the actual dividing line is between the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. But I want to swim there. So that's the plan right now, is to get from point A to point B. All right, so, but that's not the main point of the video. That's just to share with you some thoughts. I mean, if you read my blog, you'd also know that I lived in China for 10 years. I've been to France a couple of times. I stayed there twice, 3 months each time. I lived in South Korea twice, 3 months each time. I've been to Australia, Vietnam, Thailand, Mongolia. I lived in the US for 4 years, 2 years in California and 2 years in New York. And I'm from Calgary, Alberta. So I haven't been here to South America yet. That's definitely on the list. I don't know. I kind of want to also see like Sri Lanka and India and Pakistan, Nepal. But I'm not ready to go there right now. I'm kind of in the mood for Africa for some reason. So that's the thing, is just understanding Africa. I think it's the thing to do right now. All right, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about something interesting. So this week, I've been spending a lot of time thinking about this little box here. So right now I'm kind of putting together thoughts about like, what is it that I do? What is it that I teach? Like the whole concept is that we're working toward goals, and we have a path toward that goal. We have a starting point, and then we have to overcome challenges. All that's within a system. That's basically the simplest way I can describe my coaching methodology. Now, step number one is when like somebody who doesn't know the goal, they say, I don't have a goal, or I don't know what my goal should be. So in that case, if they don't know what the goal should be, then it means they need to learn the system. So they need to go through some case studies. And if they want to know what their goal should be, then I created an activity so that people could set goals, define objectives, and create endeavors. Now, another way to go deeper into helping people understand their goals is to understand their personality.